When we imagine the ancient world, we often picture primitive tools, simple societies, and limited scientific understanding. Yet, archaeological discoveries from across the globe suggest a far more complex reality. From sophisticated astronomical observations to remarkable engineering achievements, ancient civilizations repeatedly demonstrate levels of knowledge that continue to surprise modern researchers. The real question is not whether ancient people were advanced in the same way we are today, but whether they possessed forms of understanding that modern history has underestimated. One of the most striking examples comes from the Mediterranean Sea. In 1901, sponge divers exploring a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera recovered a corroded bronze device that would later transform historians' understanding of ancient technology. Now known as the Antikythera Mechanism, this intricate system of gears and dials dates back more than 2,000 years. Scientific analysis has revealed that it was designed to track the movements of celestial bodies, predict eclipses, and measure complex astronomical cycles. Many researchers now describe it as the world's first known analog computer. Its precision suggests that ancient Greek engineers possessed advanced mathematical and mechanical knowledge far beyond what was once assumed. In Egypt, the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza continues to raise questions about ancient engineering capabilities. Built over 4,000 years ago, the pyramid's sides are aligned with remarkable accuracy to the cardinal directions, achieving such precision without modern surveying instruments would have required careful observation of the stars and sophisticated geometric planning. While historians understand that the pyramids were built using organized labor, ramps, and simple tools, the scale and accuracy of the project still demonstrate an extraordinary level of logistical and architectural skill. Ancient India also provides compelling evidence of advanced scientific traditions. Texts such as the Sushruta Samhita, written more than 2 millennia ago, describe detailed surgical procedures, including cataract operations and forms of reconstructive surgery. Archaeological and metallurgical studies further reveal that ancient Indian craftsmen developed high-quality steel and corrosion-resistant iron, techniques that modern scientists continue to study. These achievements suggest that systematic experimentation and empirical knowledge existed long before the rise of modern laboratories. Astronomical understanding was another area where ancient civilizations excelled. The Mayan civilization of Central America developed highly accurate calendars based on careful long-term observations of planetary cycles. In India, temple complexes were often designed with alignments that marked solar events such as equinoxes and solstices. These alignments were not merely symbolic. They helped agricultural societies track seasonal changes and maintain ritual calendars essential for social organization. It is also important to recognize that knowledge in ancient societies was often preserved through oral traditions, symbolic narratives, and architectural design rather than written scientific textbooks. Over centuries, wars, natural disasters, and the collapse of empires led to the loss of many knowledge systems. Libraries were destroyed, languages disappeared, and technologies that were once widely understood gradually faded from cultural memory. Modern archaeology continues to uncover new evidence that reshapes our understanding of early human ingenuity. Advances in satellite imaging, underwater exploration, and material science are allowing researchers to investigate sites that were previously inaccessible. Each discovery adds another piece to a larger puzzle, a picture of ancient societies that were deeply observant of nature, skilled in engineering, and capable of organizing complex projects. So were ancient civilizations truly more advanced then? We think, in terms of digital technology and industrial production, the answer is clearly no. However, in fields such as astronomy, architecture, medicine, and environmental adaptation, ancient peoples often demonstrated remarkable sophistication. Their achievements remind us that progress is not always linear, and that valuable knowledge can be forgotten as easily as it can be discovered. Perhaps the greatest lesson from the ancient world is humility. The past was not simply a stepping stone toward modern Civilization. It was a collection of diverse cultures experimenting with ideas, technologies, and philosophies in ways that still influence us today. As research continues, we may find that many ancient innovations were not mysterious miracles, but the results of patient observation, practical necessity, and human creativity. The real mystery is how much ancient knowledge still lies hidden in the ruins of lost civilizations.